That's the view. Let's see the view.
All right, we are right now live from Iceland in Fagradalsfjall Volcano. I just want to be sure if everybody can hear me. Please write yes if you can hear me. So guys, we are right now reporting live from the volcano in Fagradalsfjall, and I can see that we have right now 600 people watching with us, and I'm right now sitting here and very willing to answer your questions if you have any questions. So Sean Martin is asking, has it got more active? Yes, it has. The volcano was quite small before, for a week ago, and basically the crater collapsed. So now we have two twin craters that is erupting, and I can see we are getting a lot of people on right now. 800 people, 900 people. It's pretty good. So yes, I will try to. Oh yeah, here I am. I will try to answer your questions as much as I can. So please feel free to ask me questions, and you can also click on my profile to follow me for later updates. I'm reporting for Severe Weather Europe right now. And yes, just feel free to ask any questions. So Kathy is asking, where is this? This is in Iceland, and this is live. Yes, this is live, ladies and gentlemen. We are right now in Fagradalsfjall, which is in the southwestern part of Iceland. Rebecca Sturgeon is asking, are you in danger? No, we are not. We are right now standing on the opposite side of the wind, so that means the gas is actually moving away from us. Fania is asking, am I afraid? No, I am not afraid, because we are standing in a quite good distance from the volcano. Joanna is asking, how far away am I? I'm approximately 500 meters from the volcano. Kim is asking, where is this? This is in Fagradalsfjall in Iceland. This is in Iceland, southwestern part of Iceland. Alvaro Enriquez is asking, are you not getting hot from where I'm sitting? You can feel the heat actually. You can actually feel the heat from the volcano. Beatrice is asking, how near am I from the lava? I am approximately 500 meters from the lava. Kostas is asking, why is the temperature near the volcano? Well, if you get really close, you will not be able to. It will be so hot that you actually your face begin burning. So it'll be too hot for you to get to stand. But right where I'm standing, 500 meters, I think it's around 10 degrees Celsius, where you can actually feel the heat on your face. Asad Mahmoud Khondar is asking, how far are you from the volcanoes? I'm approximately 500 meters. Dorothy Leong is saying it looks worse than it was a few hours ago. It looks a bit worse, but this has something to do with the what do you call it? That it's now become night, so it looks much more significant. Ines is asking, do you feel the heat? Yes, I do feel the heat. Feel the heat. Let me see. Are the authorities there? Yes, the authorities are here. Basically, we have had to move a little bit back because the gas level is too high in that area. So we had to move a little bit back. Oana is asking, how did he get the permission to get that close? It's basically publicly open. We are standing away from the wind, so the gas is not hitting us. Diane is asking, my son Jack would like to know how long the volcano has been erupting. It's been erupting a little bit more than a week. This volcano is it's the first time in the southwestern part of Iceland that this volcano has erupted. Well, a volcano has erupted in 800 years. And this particular volcano has not been erupting for 6,000 years. Carmen is asking, my burning question, what is the real name of this new volcano? It is Geldingadalur. They haven't been able to adopt a certain name yet, but I would expect something with Geldingafell or Geldingadalur. Jag is asking, no toxic gas? Yes, we do have some toxic gases. We have CO2 and SO2, but basically, as you can see, the smoke is moving away from us, so we actually staying in a very safe place. Graham is asking, will it erupt further? It seems like it'll be erupting further. Last time we had an eruption in this area, it was back in the 12th century, and that eruption lasted for 30 years, so it might be a long-lasting eruption. Khaled is asking how much is the temperature and what distance between you and the volcano. We are around 500 meters from the volcano, and the temperature where I'm standing right now is around 10 degrees Celsius. And yes, but you can feel the heat on your face. Paul is asking, are you going to toast marshmallows? Paul, marshmallows. Well, I was actually thinking about cooking some meat here, to be very honest with you. Amy is asking, is it hot? Well, it feels quite hot, but not so much. Sean is asking, how far has the lava spread? I can show you, Sean. So guys, I'm gonna try to calm. I'm gonna be quiet for a few minutes so we can actually listen to the volcano. Denise is asking, could other vent volcanoes be set off too? The answer is yes. This volcano might cause some chain reactions of other volcanic eruptions, but we don't know yet. I will give it the view without the zoom. It looks like this. Can you feel the heat? Yes, I can. Is it loud? Yes, I'm going to try to. I will be quiet for a few seconds just for you to have the chance to listen to it. Laurie Brand is asking, are you worried about the eruption getting suddenly larger and engulfing you? Not really, to be honest, because this is a minor eruption and we're not expecting any explosive eruptions going on. Beatrice Cobb is asking, are the cones new or did they already exist before? Well, it was a crater, but it basically crashed, collapsed, and now we have two different craters with a much larger mountain. So the mountain is actually getting bigger and bigger. Rodel is asking me to give it a view without zooming. Yes, I can do that right away. That's how it looks like without zooming. So I'm approximately 500 meters from the volcano. Novak is asking, is this common? Yes. Sue is saying the left side has got much bigger. Yeah, that's very true. How far are you from the volcano? George is asking. From Greece. Approximately 500 meters. Hello from Algeria. Yes. It's very beautiful. I'm trying to zoom in. Just let me know if you want me to zoom out. I can zoom out and zoom in just for you to have a better view of it. Watching this before falling asleep, sweet. It's incredibly beautiful. I'm very happy to hear Stefana. Okay, we just had a crash. Wow, look at this. It's crashing. A part of the crater has actually just collapsed. That was incredible. Kim is saying, please be careful. Sorry, I'm mom. My mom says the same thing, and I promised her to be careful, so I'm careful. Yes, Billy, there's a chance that they can combine into one, and that could be very, very interesting. How long do you expect the eruption to last? Kevin is asking. Kevin, I'm not quite sure, but the scientists are predicting that this might be a long-lasting eruption. Neresi bura? Burası İzlanda. Isn't there risk of a phreatic explosion? At the moment, it's a very constant eruption. It's a minor eruption, so we don't have that much fear of any bigger eruption going on. How long do you expect the eruption to last? Ovidio was asking. I would expect, like, to be honest, I don't know. If the scientists, I'm not very sure, but the eruption, the source of this magma is actually 20 kilometers down below the Earth's surface, so it might erupt for a longer time. Can this cause seismic activity? Raymond is asking. This is all what this volcano is basically has erupted because of the two tectonic plates, the North American plate and the Eurasian plate, separating from each other. So this is like a kind of like a fissure volcano, with a significantly growing mountain. I mean, this mountain in front of me was only 10-15 meters tall for a week ago, but now it's got much bigger. Sam is asking whether it can explode. At the moment, it doesn't seem like exploding in that sense. It's not an explosive volcano. It's more like a fissure. So we don't expect any explosion happening. Jag is saying, I wish you would go inside away from this. I worry about you being too near. Please, thank you so much for you worrying about that, Jackie. I promised my mom that we'll be careful, and I'm a guy on holding my promises. So, that we had a huge explosion right there. That was actually quite interesting. How long does the eruption last? We don't know at the moment, but it seems to be a long-lasting eruption. Does it happen a lot over there? Luvian Abrahams is asking. Yes, the answer is yes, it happens quite a lot in Iceland. Every 3, 4, 5 years we have eruptions going on. Are there no earthquakes? We have had over 50,000 earthquakes, Petra, and that has caused this volcanic eruption. How many people are there watching? I can show you. We have hundreds of people watching this, so I'm not the only one. Julia is saying silence is better. Okay, Julia, I'll be silent for 1 minute. Said, look at the left side. It's gotten much bigger. Wow, look at that.
Still alive?
I'm still alive, yes.
It's like a 30 minutes, I think.
Hej Henriette Røge. Jeg snakker også dansk forresten. Så hej fra Island til Danmark. Alright, so I promised Julia to be silent for 1 minute approximately. I think 1 minute has passed. And I'll now try to answer the questions again. How far can the lava flow when it lasts for months? It can flow for very long distance, but this is basically this area is isolated from the other mountains, so the area here, the ground will just keep growing until it begins passing over the mountains, but it can take for quite a long time. At night it's even much more beautiful. I totally agree. Egil Storosco is asking, is there any earthquakes? By the way, how high is the mountain? I would say the mountain is approximately 100 meters high, tall, and we still have a lot of earthquakes going on, but we cannot feel it. It's like 2.0, 1.5, 2.5, etc. There is no battery left.
Yeah, that's all. It's done. I tried to find my friends to get the power bank, but I don't know.
They don't have it all.
I couldn't find them.
No, okay.
I think they have left. It's getting darker and they want to charger the time.
Alright guys, I will close the live video now. We have a lot of questions. I wish that I could answer all your questions, but it's getting very cold. I'm actually losing my battery. I need to go back to the car, and it'll be pretty dumb to not having my battery in the middle of nowhere. So thank you so much for your questions, and thank you so much for your interest. I'm going to show the eruption once again. You guys can feel free to follow me on Instagram and follow my Facebook profile. I will put more updates about the eruption, and please go like Severe Weather Europe. You can find me on Facebook as well. I'm reporting for Severe Weather Europe, and you can find me on Instagram. Feel free to follow me on Facebook. Feel free to follow me on Instagram as well, and please share this page from Severe Weather Europe. Thank you so much from Iceland. Thank you, everybody. Peace and love from me to you, from the northernmost capital area, Iceland, Reykjavik. I love you all. Take care. Bye bye.